Hello, my name is Crystal McGowan, and I have decided that at this point in my life that I'm going to get my master's in social work because I feel trapped in the job I'm in right now. I work within an essential academics classroom, and we are so limited in what we can actually do to help the children, and that's my main focus. Is I really want to be helping kids, and I feel like where I'm at now, it's just not happening. And I can't do anything about it where I'm at. And so by getting my MSW, I feel like I will be in a position where I can actually do some good and help some kids in a real way, and not just sit there and want to be able to help them and not be allowed to. So I think I just got to the point where I couldn't do it anymore, and I needed to take steps to where I felt like I'm going to get somewhere that I can help them and benefit them. And that's pretty much why I decided to take this step right now and get my MSW.